Solvents. Solvents are liquids that are widely used in the pharmaceutical industry and play a very important role in crystallization. Solvents are capable of dissolving solid materials. There are many types of solvents, for example, water, alcohol, and gasoline. Each has its own unique properties. Different solvents can dissolve different solid materials. Nail polish remover, for example, is a solvent. It has properties that allow it to dissolve nail polish. Water, on the other hand, does not possess these properties and so cannot dissolve nail polish. When a solvent dissolves a solid, a solution is formed. The term soluble is used to describe a material that dissolves in a solvent. If a material cannot dissolve in a particular solvent, the material is described as insoluble in that solvent. Crystallization process variables. There are a number of different process variables that must be controlled in a crystallization process. They include temperature, rate of cooling, stirring speed, and solvent volume. Temperature. The temperature at which crystallization occurs is critical. It affects both the quantity of crystals formed and the amount of impurities in the crystals. If the temperature is too high, the crystals will not come out of solution. Decreasing the temperature will increase the number of crystals that come out of solution. It is important to remember that if the temperature is too low, then impurities may also start to form crystals and contaminate the product. Therefore, a temperature must be found that gives a balance between the best yield possible and the least amount of impurities.